Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Hello, how are you?
Bye.
Okay, that's nice to know. By the way, you did a great job on your homework. I review your video, and that's great.
Thank
Uh,
you.
okay, so did you eat your dinner already? I can't hear you.
Yes.
Okay, very. Can I ask you what did you do today?
Yes.
What did you do today?
Uh, I have a chance. Work.
Walk?
Work. Yes.
Okay, that's nice. And what else?
And I
Okay, just you can try. You have a very long break from Monday. We didn't have class after Monday, right?
Monday. Uh,
Yes. We only have Monday and Friday. Am I right?
um,
Our class schedule.
sometime on Wednesday.
I mean, we only have Monday and Friday for our class.
Yeah.
Okay, so we don't have class from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. What did you do?
Um, I um, I work. I work
You
a
work.
as a company, and I
Are you an intern or it's a summer job? Intern in the company or you do a summer job? You said you work. Mm-hmm. Are you an intern or it is your summer job?
uh summer job.
Summer job. Okay. That's nice that you have a summer job. Okay. Are you ready? I
Yes.
miss you. It's been 3 days. We didn't see each other. Okay, I'm so excited to see you. Okay. So, do you still remember our last topic?
Mm.
Not really?
Um,
Do you have something that you remembered about our last topic? Do you still remember something?
mm, I remember mm, uh, where do you live? And and
Oh, yeah, that's right. We talked or we tackled about where do you live? Yes. Okay, so right now we are going to continue our lesson about where do you live. So the next time we can tell or we can express to others on how where do we live. Okay. Do you have a notebook beside you? Do you have any pen
Mm,
so you can take down notes? Any scratch, just anything that you can write on. Uh-huh. But it's okay if, okay? Is it okay? Okay.
Yes.
Just in case that you want to take down notes, you can write it on your paper so you can review your notes after our class. Yes, very good. That's great. Okay, you were so well prepared. Okay, so let me share my screen to you. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I don't know how to remove this one. Just wait a minute. Okay, so let's proceed to exercise number 5. Can you read it?
Complete the sentence.
Mhm.
Complete the sentence.
Okay,
Sentence.
this one.
Mm. Show the correct answer to complete each sentence. Then read it aloud.
Okay, can you read it again?
Choose.
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 Okay, very good. It's choose. So, are you ready to start our exercise?
Yes.
Okay, so the first one is we have here where blank you live.
Where do you live?
Okay, very good.
A.
Very good. The second one is I blank in England.
A. I live in London, England.
Okay, very good. Let's proceed to number 3. Can you read it?
Mm, My answer is A. My
Can you
house,
read it first?
my house is on the coast.
Okay, very good. It's on the coast. Let's proceed to number 5.
Number 4. Number
Oh, I'm sorry. It's number 4. I mislooked it. Okay.
is A. Do you live
Okay.
in or an apartment?
Okay, very good. Do you live in do you
Uh,
live in a house or an apartment? Yes, very good. So let's proceed to number 5.
mm, Number 5 is A. It
hmm
has a bedroom, a kitchen, and a living room.
Okay, very good. It has a bedroom, a kitchen,
And a
and a
living
living room. Yes, very good. How about number 6? Mm.
Is your house small?
Again.
Is your house small?
Okay, very good. Is your house small? Yes. Okay, let's proceed to number 7.
My house is by a river.
Very good. It's by a river. You're doing great. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay, the last number is number 8.
What is your house like?
Mhm.
What is your house like?
Again, what is this?
What is your house like?
House like. Okay, very good. Let's letter A. Okay, you did a great job. And okay. Is it easy?
Mm,
It's easy?
yes.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if the next one is easy also. Mm-hmm. Let's proceed to exercise number 6. Fill in the blanks. Can you read this one?
Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Read a dialogue.
Dialogue.
Dialogue aloud.
Dialogue.
Dialogue.
Mm-hmm.
Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor and fill in the blanks. Blanks.
Blanks.
Blanks.
Okay.
You will be Jim.
Jim. So you will be Jim and I will be the teacher.
Yes.
Okay. So let me share to you. Mm-hmm. Just wait. Oops. Let's stop. I'm sorry. Okay. Can you see my screen?
No.
No. Okay, let's try again. It's. How about now? Can you see
Yes.
my screen? Okay. Can you hear something?
Dialogue.
Yes, I can hear.
Mm-hmm. Can you say it? It's
Dialogue.
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 Okay, very good. It's dialogue. Very good. Okay, so let's go back to our lesson. I will be your teacher and you will be Jim. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So, where do you live, Jim?
I live in an apartment in Los Angeles, USA.
Okay. You lived in apartment in Los Angeles, USA. Very good. Where is your apartment in Los Angeles?
Is in the suburbs.
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 Very
Suburbs.
good. Mhm. What is your home like?
It is quite big. We have 3 bedrooms. We have three bedrooms, two
Mhm.
bathrooms, a kitchen, a dining room and a living room. We have a garden and a garage too.
Okay, very good. So, is it a modern apartment?
Yes, my apartment is uh, very modern.
Okay,
It's long, is
it's large and very light.
is large, large, is large,
Large.
is large,
Okay, this one. Large.
large,
large, large,
large,
large,
Okay, that's right. Large. Very good.
large,
large.
So, let's go back. It's large. You did a great job. You got it all right, even though I didn't show you an option or a choices. Actually, we have a
Mhm.
choices, but I literally didn't give it to you. But even though without a choices, you answer it all right. Very good. I want to give you very good. Good job. Okay. You're so bright. But right now, I have the seventh exercise. I want you to arrange this sentence into the correct arrangement. So let's see. We have here an exercise 7, the ordering. Can you please read this one?
Ordering. Put
Mhm.
the words into the correct order.
Order. Okay. So let's start in number 1.
I live in England, London.
Again,
I live in England, London,
England,
London.
London. Mhm. Are you sure about it?
Number 2,
I mean, are you sure about this? I live in England, London. Is it already okay for you?
yes.
Okay. So let's check if I think there is something here.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Here.
Oh,
Can you see number 2? What is it again?
I live in London, England.
London, England. Why do you think um it has to be London, England and not in England, London?
Mm,
What is the London? Is it a city or a country?
London is city.
That's correct. How about England?
England is country.
Yes, very good. So, what comes first? A city or a country?
Uh, city,
Then,
then country.
country. Very good. So, your answer here needs to, mhm, again, it needs to be like this. I live in London, England. Is that right already? What do you
Yes.
think? Okay, very good. You arrange it well. Always remember the city first, then country.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Are you ready for number 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Um, do you live an apartment or a house?
Again.
Do you live in an apartment or house?
Okay. Very good. That's correct. Do you live in an apartment or a
House.
house? Oops. Do you live in an apartment or a house? That's correct. Okay. How about the number 3?
Hmm. Number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, who do you live with?
Okay, that's correct. Who do you live with? Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Mm-hmm.
They are my dad, my mom, and
Mm-hmm.
my brother.
Okay, that's nice.
My
It's a
family has a dog.
oh, are you a four parent?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. I also have a pet. I have a cat,
Oh, yes.
and her name is Snow.
I very love cats and dog.
Oh,
And
really?
my parents too.
Oh, that's nice to know. I also love cat, but I have a allergy. I have an allergy. That's why we don't keep or we don't take care cats or any pets. But right now we have a cat because the caretaker of the apartment that we lived right now is going somewhere. That's why he left the cat and we are going to take her the cat. That's why. And I love that cat, even though I have an allergy. But it's okay. I just love cats. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, number 4. Can you please read
Mm,
it or answer or arrange it?
um, my apartment is on the coast.
Again.
My apartment
Mhm.
is on the coast.
Okay, very good. You said my apartment is on the coast. Very good. How about number 5?
Mm. Is your house large?
Very good. Oops. You can take down notes if you want. Okay, let's proceed to number 6. Oops. Can you read number 6?
My house has a garden and a I can read it. I can read it. My house has a garden and a garage.
Again,
My house has a garden and a garage.
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 Okay, very good.
Yeah.
How about number 7?
Um, my apartment is
Apartment?
is modern and white.
Mhm. Modern and light. Very good. You arrange it very correct. How about the last number?
I live in the city center.
I live in the city center.
And
You got it right. Very good.
thank you.
Okay, do you have any questions about it? Do you have an unfamiliar words, vocabulary? Do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Is it easy? It seems easy for you. Is it easy?
Yes.
Mhm.
Um,
Do you have what do you call it? Any questions about it?
7 question.
Uh-huh. Do you have any questions about um what we have tackled?
Mm,
Is there any question? You have any question? What is your question about what we have tackled?
no, no.
No, no question. Okay, so let's proceed to exercise 8. So it's your turn to ask me. Okay, can you read this one?
Um, your, t- your turn to ask.
Again?
Your turn
Uh-huh.
to ask.
Okay.
Ask your tutor
This,
their
these.
these
Okay.
these
These questions.
these questions.
Okay, you can do
These
it.
these questions.
Questions. Very good. So you are going to ask me these 7 questions. So do you want to know where I lived, what my home's like? Do you want to know? Or do you want to skip this part?
Yes, I want to know.
Okay, so you can ask me from question number 1.
What town or city do you live in?
I lived in Rojas City.
Rojas City.
Yes, it's from Capiz in the Philippines.
Mm,
Do you know someone from the Philippines?
Philippines.
Yeah,
Philippines.
Philippines. Do you know someone? Okay,
No.
okay. You know someone now. It's me. Yes. Okay. So we only have 10 minutes remaining for our class. Okay, so let's take this time to finish this activity. So you can ask me the second question.
Um, what is your home like?
Mhm. We have the second question.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I lived in an apartment. Okay. Mhm. Can you read it?
Yes. Where is your home?
Where is your home? So my home is in Capiz, Philippines. It's near in the city center. Okay.
What is your home like?
My home? Can you ask me again?
What is your home like?
Mhm. My home is small, clean, and comfortable.
Oh,
Okay. How about the next question?
is your home dark?
No, it isn't. It is bright.
Right.
Yes. Okay. Let's proceed to
Is your
question.
home modern?
Again?
Is your home modern?
No, it isn't. It is simple.
Simple.
Yes. The
Um,
last question.
is your home cold? Cold.
Again, this one.
Is your home cold?
Cold. No, it isn't. It is warm.
Warm.
Yes. Okay. So that's just an example on how we respond in case someone will ask us in the future. Okay? Or maybe tomorrow someone will ask you about where is your home. So you know how to respond. Mhm. Did someone ask you where your home is? Did someone ask you already?
Yes.
Yes. So how do you respond?
Um, could you repeat for me?
Mhm.
Uh,
How do you
I
respond when someone asks you?
um
Did someone ask you already?
yes.
Okay. So now I will ask you, or I am the one who will ask you about where your home is. So this exercise will be your turn, or it's your turn to answer. So using or answer using the language you have learned in this lesson. It's time for you to talk about yourself. Are you ready, or you want it to be your homework, or do you want to answer it now? We only
Um,
have 5 minutes left.
uh, my home was
My homework? Okay, your homework. Can you still remember our lesson?
uh
Do you still remember how I respond these questions you asked me earlier?
I can remember.
Okay, that's nice. So you can take away vocabulary or any words that can help you answer your homework. So I will give it to you as your homework. So we have Saturday, Sunday. We will meet again on Monday. Okay. You can, okay, I will send it to you. It's not suit on my screen. That's why. So I will send it to you as your homework. Okay. Did you enjoy? Mm,
And
did you learn something?
um
Okay. Can you share it to me? What have you learned?
um I can learn any questions about my home, your home,
Okay.
and my country, um, and your country.
Okay. So did you also learn how to construct a sentence on how to respond,
Hmm.
how to arrange your vocabulary in order to construct a sentence, just like we did earlier. Do you still remember?
I can try.
Okay. So it will be your homework. So it includes, or maybe your homework includes talking about yourself and arranging the vocabulary you have learned from this lesson or anything that you take down notes. Okay. Maybe there's a vocabulary or the words you learned from this lesson. So you can try to meditate it and so you could answer your homework. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Am I clear? Mhm. I will send a instruction or an instruction on our group chat so it will be clear to you. Okay. So did you enjoy our class tonight?
Yes.
Okay, me too. I enjoyed. And
I
maybe that's all for tonight. See you on Monday.
see you
Goodbye, my
Monday.
dear Anne. Thank you
Good
so much.